Ever pondered the ultimate supercomputer, the one nestled right between your ears? The human brain is an unparalleled marvel, weighing just 3 pounds yet holding the universe of your thoughts, emotions, and memories. Today, we're embarking on a rapid journey into the secrets of the human brain, uncovering just a few of the incredible mysteries that make us who we are. Prepare to have your mind, quite literally, expanded. First, let's marvel at its sheer processing power. Your brain houses approximately 86 billion neurons, forming trillions of connections, more than stars in our galaxy. This intricate network allows for astonishing neuroplasticity, meaning your brain constantly rewires itself based on new experiences, learning, and even recovery from injury. Every skill you acquire, every memory you form, is a testament to this incredible, dynamic ability to adapt and grow. Next, consider the vast realm of the unconscious mind. Did you know that much of our decision-making, emotional responses, and even perception happens outside our conscious awareness? Our brains process an astonishing 11 million bits of information per second, yet we can only consciously handle about 40. This means your brain is a master multitasker, handling countless automatic functions, filtering sensory input, and subtly influencing your actions long before you're consciously aware of them. Finally, let's touch upon the fascinating secret of perception. Your brain doesn't just passively receive information, it actively constructs your reality. What you see, hear, and feel is an interpretation, a carefully curated simulation. This is why optical illusions work so powerfully. They trick your brain's predictive models, revealing how subjective and constructed our experience of the world truly is. Consciousness itself, that feeling of being, remains one of science's profoundest mysteries. From its mind-boggling computational power and endless adaptability to its hidden influences and the very fabric of our reality, the human brain is a universe of complexity still largely undiscovered. It truly is the most incredible machine on Earth. If you found these insights as captivating as we did, hit that like button, subscribe for more fascinating explorations, and tell us in the comments, what brain secret do you find most intriguing?